In order to deliver the welcome address, please join me in welcoming on the stage Dr. Sachin Bangar, Deputy Commissioner Headquarters, Meera Bhayandar Municipal Corporation. Please welcome him with a big round of applause.
Thank you. Good morning to all. Our beloved Mayor, Honorable Srimati Dimple Vinod Mehta ji, our Honorable Deputy Mayor Dhruv Kishore ji Patil, our beloved Commissioner Radha Vinod Sharma ji, and all respected dignitaries, distinguished speakers, and esteemed participants. On behalf of Meera Bhayandar Municipal Corporation, I extend a warm welcome to all to the National Sustainable Urban Innovation Summit, Maharashtra edition. This summit marks a significant occasion as we celebrate 25 years of MBMC's urban transformation journey, reflecting our commitment toward the sustainable development, citizen-centric governance, and technological advancement. Meera Bhayandar Municipal Corporation turns 25 years this year. 25 years of navigating rapid urbanization, demographic pressure, infrastructure demands, and government challenges, all while continuing to deliver essential services to our residents. When MBMC was constituted in 2002, it had a population of around 5 lakh. Today, we serve approximately 14 to 15 lakh residents. That is more than double. Our journey has been one of the continuous adaptation, and we are proud to say that today, Meera Bhayandar holds the distinction of being the rank first in Swachh Shahar in 3 to 10 lakh population category under Swachh Sarvekshan 2024-25 and a national award received from the hands of Honorable President of India. MBMC's story is more than a success story. It is a model that other cities can form and replicate. We have demonstrated that with the right system architecture, the right technology partnerships, and the right government mindset, and even a constant urban local body can deliver the world-class outcomes. From solarized control windrow composting, plasma gasification, biomethanization, and it's a GPS monitored whole SWM monitoring system, from source segregation campaigns, digital file management, all these we have integrated in all these. We have built a fully integrated transport and data-driven solid waste management ecosystem. In last year, more than 180,000 tons of solid waste is collected, processed, and disposed with end-to-end traceability. Over 91 lakh rupees fine is technologically collected through the digital enforcement app. None of this would have been possible without the support of the citizens of Meera Bhayandar Municipal Corporation, Government of Maharashtra, and the visionary leadership of Meera Bhayandar Municipal Corporation that has made, that is our mayor and whole citizens and commissioners, sir. As outlined in today's program, this platform brings together policymakers, administrators, and industry leaders to deliberate on key aspects of urban sustainability, infrastructure, and innovation. Meera Bhayandar, as a rapidly growing urban center within the MMR region, continues to adopt progressive and scalable solutions in areas such as waste management, digital governance, and climate resilience. I welcome once again all of you and look forward to a meaningful deliberations. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.